Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Dynamic Island in Samsung A55 5G. So first of all guys, you have to go to Play Store as we are using a third-party application. Then search for Dynamic Bar. Okay, so this one is the application. Just install this application guys. Now after installing, just click to open. Okay, now click to cross and then enable this feature. Now you have to allow all the permissions here. Go back, allow the notification from this, allow it, again go back, allow the contacts and click OK. So as you guys see, the dynamic bar or dynamic island is now appear in my device. So go back, we can do setting, we can set up the position from here. Okay, so that's how guys we can set up the position. Now let's check the result. I'm gonna connect the charger. Okay, so as you see, this is how we can use a dynamic island in Galaxy A55 5G by using this application. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.